Air pollution. Air pollution can be defined as the addition of undesirable things into the air. For example, smoke from automobiles, power plants, factories, etc. causes air pollution. Effects of air pollution. Due to the release of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, from refrigerators, air conditioners, etc., the ozone layer is getting depleted. The ozone layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The ultraviolet rays cause skin and eye disease in humans. Due to the increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere, global warming is caused. Carbon dioxide gas prevents the Earth's heat from escaping into the atmosphere, thus increasing the temperature of the Earth. Harmful gases that are released by the factories and power plants get dissolved in the rainwater, forming acid rain. Acid rain damages buildings, plants, and makes the soil acidic. Breathing unclean air causes diseases like bronchitis, asthma, etc.